Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to check missed calls from the blocked contacts in your iPhone. So for some reasons you might have blocked someone and you wanted to know whether they have missed any kind of calls to you and how we can get it. So there are two different things that you need to take care of it. The first one, you have to use the customer care number of your carrier. So it will differ from country to country. So what you need to do is you have to get the default customer care number. You have to make a call to them and you have to ask them to give the statement for the past particular day. For example, 3 days, 7 days, 15 days, or even a 1 month. You'll be getting a complete details of the missed call that you received on your phone. You can just make a call to them and ask them. They will send you via email. And also apart from this, you can also try downloading the app, right? Even for all the carriers across the globe, there'll be some kind of app that is available on the App Store. You can search here. So in my case, I'm using a SIM or the carrier called Jio, which is widely known in India. So what I'm trying to do is I just need to go over here, type here for my Jio like this. I can just go over here, type here, and I have to tap on this. Once if I get into my Jio, this is the app which I download from the Play Store, which is actually available. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to close all kind of things. I'm just demonstrating with an example using this. And what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the profile over here. For this particular app, this is what I have to do. Once I get into this, what I need to do is just go over here, Jio Care Help and Support. I have to go over here, and what I need to just go chat with them. Instead of calling, you can also try this way as well, where you have to ask them for the statement. Right here, I have already asked them for the statement. So I'm just going to type it once again. I'm going to type my account statement here. So when I type it, what happens is they're going to ask you some questions. Let me type it properly. This is actually a customer board kind of thing. They're going to reply you based on your requirement. So when I give this, they're going to answer over here like this, view statement. I have to tap on the view statement. Now they're going to ask me how long I need, whether I need for 7 days, 15 days, or 13 days. View statement, or if I wanted for email statement, I can go for email it. So they're gonna send the email statement, so it will be taken you to your email ID where we'll be receiving it, where you can complete have a check on this, right? So this is the another way. And also apart from this, there is one more method which I wanted to let you know guys, where you can try it out. That is all about, you have to go over here. Once you get into this, you have to go into the voicemail. Now you'll be receiving a lot of voicemail day-to-day life. So over here at the bottom, you can see there will be something called blocked contacts, which means the blocked person tried to send you a voicemail. It will be available here. From there, you can listen to it, and if you wanted to unblock them, you can unblock them based on the situation. So you can try calling back them as well. So these are the ways where you can try it in order to fix it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.